In this video, I'll be helping you with the ALEKS problem type called writing an equation of a parabola given the vertex and the focus. Before we start, we should review the definition of a parabola that says a parabola is the set of all points that have the same distance between the focus and the directrix. So any point on the parabola would have an equal distance to the focus and to the directrix. And another point that we are always interested in is the vertex, because that is directly in between our focus and directrix. The focus being a point and the directrix being a line. The vertex is the point exactly in between, and we think of it as the center of our parabola. And when it comes to our two forms, our standard form for the parabola that opens up and down is x minus h squared equals 4p times y minus k. And when the y minus k is squared and 4p times x minus h on the other side, these open left and right. So with this in mind, we can look here at this example, and I'll start by just sketching out the vertex, which is at -3, -4. And then our directrix is the line y equals -11. Y equals -11 is horizontal, and we would need to go down to y equals -11. This is our directrix. From this, we can see that our parabola will go through the vertex, open away from the directrix at the bottom. We weren't given the focus, but I know that it must be somewhere up here. And this distance from the focus to the vertex is the same as this distance from the vertex to the directrix, and we call this distance p. Recognizing that it opens up means that we will be using this top standard form. We were given the vertex as -3, -4, so that would also give us our h and k. So I can start substituting into that form. We would have x minus h, and h is -3, so x minus a -3, x plus 3 squared equals, I know that I have 4 times p on the right hand side, and then y minus k, and k is a -4, so minus a -4 plus 4. And since we have the directrix, we can also determine the value of p. Recall that the vertex is -3, -4, and our directrix is y equals -11. So the distance from -4 down to -11 gives us a distance of 7. So our p value here is 7. Making that substitution for p, we would have 4 times 7. Simplifying, we would have x plus 3 squared on the left. 4 times 7 is 28 times y plus 4. This would be our standard form. And again, we got the h and k directly from the information that was given. We were given the vertex, and we were given the directrix, so we just needed to find that distance to substitute in the p to get the final equation.